This video explains the scripts option, which allows you to email the current screen to the selected physician. You may already know that there are a number of ways to send an email to a physician that has been assigned to a given patient. For example, I'm in the SOAP notes area here of the audiometric module, and I can click a button here, and towards the bottom I can email this document, this SOAP notes report, audiology report, right to the patient's physician and to the email address assigned to them. So when I open up that PDF, there's the report. Now, we're not going to address the HIPAA issues associated with sending information by email. We will discuss that in another video, but let's assume that the patient has given you permission to be able to send information on their behalf in this particular case. So I'm going to close that, and that's just one way that we can send information. Let's go back to our print options area here, and we can also send by fax or email to a patient, a payer, a physician, or a school, whichever selected audiogram that is. So I'm going to click here again. It turns the audiogram into a PDF, and there we have it, and that will go right to the assigned physician of the particular patient. So let's also go back here and take a look at where that physician is assigned and how the email address gets used properly. Under the second dot here, we've assigned this physician to the patient, and he or she has an email address generally. So let's go look at that area where the email address is added. That's right here at the bottom as I've selected it. You want to make sure that the physician that has been assigned to a given patient has an email address set up in their setup area, and that way that information will go to the physician directly. So again, there may be times that you're on a form or a letter or some kind of information. Let's just go to, for example, a blank audiogram, although I can't imagine why you'd necessarily send that to the physician. I'm using this as an example. But if I'm on this screen and I wanted to send this screen to the patient's physician, I'll come down here and select script number 13, and it takes whatever screen I'm on and does as good a job as it can to turn that into a PDF, and it will send that document as a PDF to whatever the assigned physician email address is right there. So you may not use that often, but that's something that you can use from time to time, and now you know how to do it.